Hi, Joanne with Broadcast Only here, and here are some tips for chopping wood with an axe.
His legs are apart.
And so if I miss for some reason, I'm not coming down at my foot. Start out, your hands further apart, swing it up, I slide it down, and then pull it.
So here he talks about how to chop through a piece of wood and then discuss the differences that it is with splitting wood into logs.
I'm going to do once from the left where I start over my left shoulder, and once where I go straight up. Do it right, you cut out a nice
Wedge.
V shape.
And then
If you just go straight down every time, the chips don't come out. But if you come to the left and the right, they'll take out all of your chunks.
okay. Now, but he also said when he first started, you just let the axe fall because it is heavy. But over time, you can force it down. See, that was more forced. Okay. And that's how you use an axe. On a root, at least. Is it different when you're just splitting logs? No, I mean the V-shaped thing.
Well, if you're trying to split logs, no. If you're trying to cut the log, this is the same.
Oh, okay.
It's a root or
Split logs is just
splitting.
It's just going down
Yeah,
the...
and you want to go straight into the grain. This one I'm going across the grain. Splitting, you go straight in. And an axe,
You want it with the grain?
if you're splitting it, yeah.
Okay.
But then you're splitting a log, and you want it to follow the grain.
Okay.
And small things.
Well, that one's not following it because...
Well, this would be too big to split with an axe.
Oh.
You have to get wedges and other.
Oh. Okay. All right. Fun with axes.
If you found this video helpful, please like, share, subscribe, and click on the bell next to the subscribe button so you will get notifications when there are new videos.